start a little water. Some onion. Red paprika. Okay, 3-second rule. Put in a little butter. Here I have some rice and there's some beef inside, there's some leftovers. One plate, I think 2 eggs enough. So then when you see the egg, it's not rinning anymore, it's not liquid anymore, it's finished. So almost there now. And I use Japanese soya sauce, but it should be oyster sauce, but the store I'm shopping in don't have it. So this one is, it is. Just a little bit, don't take too much, it's going to be too salt. Yeah, perfect timing. The flame die. Now when it's finished. What do you say about that? Perfect.